The factory of the future is full of buzzwords like AI, machine learning, blockchain, IoT, big data. But for manufacturers looking for real performance improvement, what's the practical path forward? And what's the real opportunity for efficiency gains that haven't already been achieved? Meet LineView Solutions, a suite of software and a team of operational experts that bring a proven approach to complete digital manufacturing improvement. For 20 years, LineView has been helping manufacturers find the hidden potential in their production. And today, we're working with the industry's leaders to make the future of manufacturing insights a reality.
The main difference is the technology we built into our software is pretty unique in that it can do this real-time causal analysis, which gives a real set of insights that other software providers can't do. And then combined with that, we're also operational experts. So we're passionate about data, but also helping people get a result. So for us, it's not about installing a system and letting the customer get on with it. We're about helping them use the data to make a difference. And because we're passionate about what we do, we really do make a difference with the customers. And often we see some businesses take on board what we do and then just roll it out across their whole business very, very quickly.
LineView is a production line monitoring and recording system that automatically captures data and allows the user to analyze data in both live and historical time. It performs true causal loss and OEE analysis on each of your lines, helping you to identify the real opportunities for improvement. The design of a production line is centered around what LineView refers to as the critical machine, which is the slowest and typically most expensive item on the line, normally a filler in a packaging line. Line performance is measured based on the performance of the critical machine. When the critical machine stops, LineView will automatically assign the loss of production to the equipment that is causing the issue. And that's what we call causal loss. To access LineView, you just need to type the IP address in your browser. The system has three main screens: Line Overview, which provides an overview of the line performance and each individual machine too. Loss Analysis, which shows all the losses split in different categories: speed, planned downtime, external downtime, breakdowns, minor stops and rejects. Status, which provides live information about the state of each equipment. The LineView Solutions software is rich in features to drill down to meetings, quality, energy, and even clean-in-place processes. With CamView, you can even capture faults with video playback. We use best-of-breed software and integrate with your plant's other ecosystems. Constantly evolving, this method reduces risk, moving your shop floor towards a low-code, no-code ecosystem that's plug-and-play. LineView is opening the door to smart, practical AI applications, like the use of machine learning to detect when faults are becoming more prevalent, or the use of guided interventions to proactively identify issues and direct your team to a fix with optimized parameters. Armed with this reliable production data and an understanding of your losses, our team of operational experts will work alongside yours to implement proven routines. If you are looking to the factory of the future but still need to find the opportunity in today's production environment, let's talk.